Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show how to lock WhatsApp in your Android mobile device. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Play Store. And once you're inside, search for App Locker. And then skip past the sponsored results. And then click on App Lock by Cool Apps. It has over 10 million downloads. This app is completely free, so go ahead and click on install. So I'm going to pause this video and come back to you once this is done. Alright, click on open once AppLock is installed. Click on allow and then click on start, bottom of this page here. And you've got a couple of different options here as a pattern. So you can either unlock using a pattern, fingerprint or code. So for this demonstration, I'm going to do code. So I'm going to put in a random code here. 6 digits long, and I'm going to re-enter it to confirm. You can add in recovery email or click finish or both. Alright, you need to grant permissions, so to turn on draw over other apps, permission from settings, so you need to grant permission, so click on grant and then toggle app lock to on, and then there'll be one more grant permission, so click on grant permission again, same thing, app lock, toggle that to on, and then head back. And now what you want to do is search for WhatsApp. There it is there. So to lock this, click on the little lock symbol here and it'll turn blue. Now WhatsApp is locked. So if I go back, try and access WhatsApp, as you can see it's locked. So I'll go ahead and unlock it. There you go. So yeah, and if you want to lock other apps, head back into App Lock. Put in your PIN code again, and then just simply click on, so if I want to lock Binance, click on the lock, and now that has been locked as well. So yeah, that's it for this video guys, how to lock WhatsApp inside your Android mobile device. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.